My name's Tom Lee and I've just finished the end of year 2 at Preston College doing T-level professional construction. So I chose the T-level because I wanted more hands-on experience of what I wanted to do after college, because I had an idea that I wanted to go into architecture, but I didn't want to then go in and do like art, maths and everything and then go into architecture without knowing what it actually is. So I enjoyed the whole idea of being able to have work experience and knowing what it was like. So from the placement here, I mean, I've gained like confidence in the workspace, like knowledge of all the softwares and everything, gained knowledge of what actually goes on, like on site and in the office. So one of my first projects was I helped design a school, and some of the designs that I used actually went into the designs for the school, so that was really nice. I've helped create renders for buildings that have been shown to clients and stuff. Been enjoying doing the rendering because someone from the team taught me how to do it and I just picked it up really quickly. So at the moment I'm working on Lancaster University. I'm helping doing the renders for their new renovations, which is really helpful because I'm hoping to go to Lancaster University. So then when I go there I can tell them that I did the pictures. So after doing work experience at this place, they've offered to help me throughout uni. So the plan going forward is that I'll be working here at Cassidy Ashton's full-time up until university, and then I'll be working here 1 day a week while I'm at uni. So Preston College, it was local to me, so it just all works out really well, and the T-level brought me towards it, and it was just a really interesting course. Yeah, I'd recommend T-levels as they've got me my place in university, more of an understanding of the construction as a whole, and I've now got a place at Cassidy Ashton's Architecture.
I'm Lawrence McBurney. I'm a director and an architect at Cassidy and Ashton, and we are a multidisciplinary practice, so we're chartered architects, town planners and building surveyors based in Preston. Initially we didn't know anything about the T-level course or the timescales with it, but from my own point of view, working through as an architect, working in placement is very, very important, so it's key to get in and get that sort of experience. So we often give experience out to students for sort of 1 week, 2 weeks. So this longer term really allowed us to gel and connect it better with the student and allowed them to build up their experience as well. Yeah, Tom, the benefits he brings to the practice, Tom's been brilliant. He's a really sort of laid back guy, but he's really sort of got into the software that we use. We use a lot of technical software, and Tom's picked that up sort of really, really quickly. So he's been working on loads of live projects for us, including schools, a few hospitals and healthcare projects, as well as Lancashire Constabulary. So he's really picked up the 3D software, and I think that's where he's really excelled and helped us as a practice move forward as well. In fact, Tom's been so good that we've kept him on, and we've got him in employment now, working until he starts, or hopefully starts university. And hopefully the course is grounded him to get the UCAS points he needs so that he can start university. I think it's up at Lancaster, but hopefully one for the future for us, Tom. As an architect myself, going through 7 years it was to train as an architect, getting experience in practice is vital. So getting a real grounding in terms of the timescales and the demands we have as an architectural practice has been key for Tom, and he's fitted in really well to that. So I think you really learn the skill set of being an architect in the practice. Learning the theory is great, but because it's so diverse and there's so much to learn, this will give him a really good grounding for going to university and advancing his career. It's been great working with Preston College. I would recommend T-levels to any employer considering it. Clearly you have to consider the time that you have to put in, not just as directors but as employees as well, to spend time with students. But with Tom in particular, you can find a gem that you can mould for the future, and hopefully Tom will be back here working for us in the not too distant future.